In Stratham, we take a long view of the effect of our operations and services on our community. That requires leadership and initiative when it comes to addressing our long-term challenges and constant improvement towards managing our resources and being stewards of our earth. We want to encourage an environment where people are thinking about what they consume and the entire life of those materials.
A big driver is nationwide we're facing capacity issues with landfilling. Clearly we can all do better and reduce the amount of landfilling and improve upon our recycling initiatives, and those are really the key focuses for our community here in Stratham. We went from a manual collection, meaning that there was a driver on the front of the truck and then actual labor force, boots on the ground, on the rear of the truck that were jumping on and off of the truck, grabbing the bagged materials, throwing it into the truck and compacting. Now there's one individual driver operating a truck that is now equipped with an automated arm that grabs a standardized cart. We have been able to reduce operational costs. We have been able to provide a more consistent service to the public, and ultimately we've seen our tonnages drop. That the town of Stratham is now landfilling less and recycling more.
In Stratham, we have high expectations for responsiveness, professionalism, and reliability. We were able to be successful in securing a vendor who met all of those expectations.
I've had numerous people, and probably as recently as a month ago, stop me and just thank me for us having initiated the process of curbside pickup.
We are always, as a town, looking for ways to continuously improve. We see in Casella a partner who has previously brought us opportunities to improve this service. We'd welcome further collaboration with Casella on all of that.
Stratham has a little bit different mindset. They want to continue to improve. They want to continue to develop their program. They want to work with their partner, in which this case we're fortunate for it to be us, Casella, and for us to be able to advise them on what are some of our recommendations, and we work collaboratively to bring the program, like I said, to where it is today and where we hope to bring the program moving forward. I nominated the Town of Stratham for the Sustainability Leadership Award because everything that they've done over the last 2 years, in my mind, is pretty remarkable. You know, I guess that as a whole, they looked at every single detail. For me, when I look at the Town of Stratham, you know, this is a community that our company has had a relationship for many years. The community has put a significant amount of effort into their solid waste program, their sustainability program. It's important to recognize them for those efforts. They've worked incredibly hard. I can tell you that since the transition of this town, a lot of the lessons learned have been noticed by other communities throughout New Hampshire. And they have set the example. And there are several other communities that are striving to mimic what Stratham has done. The town brought a lot of great ideas to the table that we were able to utilize, and we're now utilizing those good ideas in other communities. And they're extremely effective, and they're creating positive impacts.
Without the support of Casella, we would not have obtained the recent reductions in volumes.
On behalf of the Town of Stratham Select Board, the town staff, and residents, I'd like to thank the Casella organization for their support and recognition of Stratham with this Sustainability Award. We are grateful for the partnership, and when I first learned about this recognition, I immediately thought of our town staff and the people who worked very hard to ensure this transition to a new system went well, including our Public Works Director, our Waste Management Advisory Committee, and all the town staff who helped ensure proactive communications and outreach to our community, to whom we are grateful for their patience and cooperation throughout. Thank you to all.